Hello students, how are you? I hope that you all are safe at home. Today I will teach you chapter 2 of geography. The name of the lesson is Interior of the Earth. Interior of the Earth means how the earth made up of, means which kind of minerals, which kind of layers are there from inside the earth, right? First you will read the chapter 2 times, then you will watch my video, right? So we shall start. Earth's surface is made up of solid rocks which make up the continents and ocean floors. Continents, 7 continents are there, है ना? You know this. And ocean floor is inside the ocean. The floor is there, that is also made up of rocks. Interior of the earth is made up of several minerals, not one mineral or two mineral or few mineral. Several, so many minerals are there in molten and liquid form, or magma we can say, as envisioned by geologists. What are geologists? Geologists are the scientists who study about earth's layers, or in Hindi we can say भूगर्भ वैज्ञानिक, right? Geologists have come to know great deal about earth's structure and its interior through the study of earthquake, waves and the soil, rocks, etc. This all they study obtained from the interior of the earth. Okay, now about structure of the earth or earth's internal structure, right? Earth's internal structure. After a study of various sources, geologists concluded what conclusion they get? That the earth is not made up of uniform minerals. Uniform means all minerals, several minerals are there. They are not same. They all are of different kinds. It is made up of mainly 3 layers. 3 layers are there: crust, mantle and core. Core is also 2 types: outer core, inner core, right? In the form of concentric shells. The density of rocks increases with depth towards the center. It is not possible for human to go inside the earth in mines because it is too hot from its depth. As the depth increases, temperature also increases. Okay, the approximate rate of increase in temperature is 1 degree centigrade after every 32 to 40 meters in depth, right? And the study of scientists is what they say, that the interior structure is of the earth is made up of 3 layers. The layers already I told you. What are these layers? Crust, mantle and core with distinct characteristics, right? Each of this layer has different density. All have different density. All have different type of chemicals and physical properties also are of different type. Now I will tell you about crust. Crust or outermost layer. It is also called lithosphere. Lithosphere, it is the thinnest layer, सबसे पतली layer. It is the thinnest layer of the earth, right? Its thickness is varies from 5 kilometer to 50 kilometer. 5 kilometer to 50 means somewhere more thin, somewhere most thin, somewhere thick, like this. Means its thickness is varies from 5 kilometer to 50 kilometer. And now about mantle, right? The layer below the crust is mantle, right? It is also called mesosphere. As crust is also called lithosphere, mantle is also called mesosphere. Its thickness is about 2900 kilometer. What is the thickness? 2900 kilometer. Its density varies from 3.5 to 5.5 gm, right? The temperature is very much high. As we go more inside the earth, the temperature increases, right? It's range from 870 degree centigrade to 2200 degree centigrade, right? Now about core. The core is the innermost, the inside part of the layer of the earth, right? Its density is about 11 Gl, and the temperature, what is the temperature? Two types of core is there, outer core, inner core. The inner core temperature is 4700 degrees centigrade to 6700 degrees centigrade, and the outer core temperature is 3700 degrees centigrade to 4700 degrees centigrade in the outer layer, right? Now what is it made up of? The outer core is in a form of molten or magma, right? It composed nickel and iron. What is it composed? What is it made of? Nickel and iron. And the inner core, it is also made up of iron, right? And it is dense and solid, right? Mostly of nickel and iron, and called metallic or knife, N-I-F-E, knife, right? Now I will tell you tectonic plates in next video, right? You listen my video 2-3 times, then you will understand properly, right? Listen carefully, watch carefully, and along this video worksheets also there. In that worksheet, what is given? The solutions of chapter 1 and 2 of history. Some students, they were facing problem in writing answers, so I have sent solutions also for them. You can do, if you have done, you can do print of that and you can learn, right? Stay home, stay safe, bye.